Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Grand Eastonian Hotel and Suites Easton. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, pet-friendly and a free parking. Grand Eastonian Hotel and Suites Easton featuring luxury suites, spacious rooms and extended stay accommodations. This hotel offers accommodations with full kitchens and flat-screen TVs. Located just a 4-minute walk from the Crayola Factory, it features an indoor pool and gym. The 1 to 2 bedroom suites at Grand Eastonian Suites Hotel provide seating rooms with sofas, desks and free Wi-Fi. They have wood floors and marble accent bathrooms that feature spa tubs and bathrobes. The kitchens include dishes. For guests' convenience, the hotel serves a continental breakfast. It also offers a business center and meeting facilities. Concierge service is available. Grand Eastonian Hotel is within walking distance of the National Canal Museum and Lafayette College. Lehigh Valley International Airport is 13 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.